let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Here is orange color. Here is blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, yellow color, sky blue color, and the last one is parrot color. Now let's color the dinosaur. Let's zoom in on the screen to color it. Now let's zoom out. So what sound does a dinosaur make? Our dinosaur says, how many dinosaurs can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 dinosaurs.